Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods Pro to your LG V50 ThinQ, at the first you have to open charging case of the AirPods. Next we have to rotate and we have to click and hold this button. So right now click, hold until this indicator beeps on the red color a few times. And we can blinks of our LG. So click on the Bluetooth, then click and hold to open Bluetooth settings, close this window. Just keep looking on the AirPods. And right now we can release the button, close the case, open it one more time, then try to refresh, try to connect to the AirPods. And right now just simply click pair. And as you can see right now our AirPods Pro are connected to the LG V50 ThinQ. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!